Hello YouTube. Today we're going to be doing a draw, and this is my channel, Comedy LOL, as you all know because you clicked on this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I have my friend Michael over here.
Hello.
And we're going to be doing a draw, and we're trying to draw what you see right there in front of you.
And please, people, don't make fun of me because I know I suck at drawing, so deal with it.
Actually, put some comments who drew better. As much as you want, please make them funny. We will be answering these comments and we will be laughing our head off. Okay, ready?
Probably not me, because nobody's going to comment me.
Go.
And if you don't hear anything, we're not dead. We're just really, really focused.
You erased it already?
Mine came off to a rough start. I accidentally drew a circle.
Where do you see a circle anywhere in this place?
I don't.
Okay, that's very realistic.
I'm just saying, if the quality of this video is really poo, it's off of an iPhone.
Yeah, just so you know. I will be getting an editor pretty soon.
And we will be uploading at least 4 or 5 times a week. But the videos will usually be about 1 to 4 minutes long, and maybe longer than that. I think. Are we going to use markers for this?
If you want, I mean, there's nothing really to marker.
And yours is so much better than mine.
Don't worry, just draw a weight or something. Like...
just so you can see, it looks like that.
Oh God.
There it is. It's crap. It's crap. Crap.
Okay.
And again, we are laughing our heads off even before we read the comments of this video. So there you go.
So,
excuse this guy's laughing over here.
Come on, Michael.
I just got an idea to make a comedy series on this channel where I come over to this guy's house and just like talk crap.
Dude, it's not your talking that's crap, it's your drawing. Okay, I think we'll give it one more chance, right, YouTube? Yes, please don't say no.
Can I draw a circle and you draw an actual thing?
No.
Okay.
Why would I let you do that?
So crap.
No. Who doesn't want to embarrass other people on YouTube?
Me. Trying to copy yours.
Okay.
That looks okay.
It looks like, oh my God, I don't even know what that is.
Then I do.
You know what? How about you just like... Okay. Oh God. Okay, I think that's it.
I'm finished.
I'm gonna let's show let's show the people. This is what I got. That's my arm compared to that. And then this is his. Oh my God.
Don't mind me.
Oh, okay. Okay, I think that's enough for today, and I'll see you next time.